Current reports are suggesting that Reggae Boyz England-born target Mason Greenwood has called a delay of game in coming to represent Jamaica. According to the reports, Greenwood is seeking audience with New England coach Thomas Tuchel to see if the door is still open on his England career. Now, assuming that these reports are true, it is totally understandable that Mason Greenwood or any other baller born and bred in England, their first choice would be to play for England, bigger, richer, higher profile country. But at the same time, the circumstances of Greenwood's case are indeed extenuating. He's still guilty by public opinion, something that will not be forgotten or forgiven anytime soon, not in England. So my maverick advice to Mason Greenwood, if you know what's good for you, you don't make this Reggae Boyz trainer lead you. Yo, you hear that?